Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka Samido na Eddie ni makoretwo magitiga mashabik ao na bisha makionania ati in their own ways together as a family they are enjoying time kuria USA. Samido hamwe na Eddie and their cousin Bani Sorani they visited town yomwe munene kuria US wa New York City and posted these photos iria itigete her fans very excited before twarie ciegi what is happening kuria USA gatagati wa Samido and his family. Jetikiria gucokeria gatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gwetekera uthina mbere gutwarana na ithuĩ. Fans have noted that kuma Samido athie USA Eddie ni akoretwo agika kaundu gatari mutugo wake. She has been responding to her fans comments on social media makiria ki address ciuria cia fans ake ciegi whether she's coming back to Kenya kana visiting Kenya anytime soon. Kiuria Eddie aronekanire gukorwo agicokia thoda nakorwo agi provide a specific day na kiuria kiu nikio kiratumire andu makorwo magiciriria if at all Samido have moved permanently kuria USA kana his trip will be cut short na korwo agicoka guku bururi-ini. Samido na nakorwo agicokia ciuria icio, but fans also noted that kuma Samido akorwo reunite na his first family akoretwo akiri na mutugo mweru guku social media kuona hau kabere arari na mutugo wa gucokia ciuria cia fans akiri na maroro maingi muno, but of late he has been very polite to his fans makiria riria ara reply comments ciao. Kaundu fans a Samido makiria mashabik ake monekanite gukorwo maki appreciate Samido onake shared photos akionania uria he is having a good time in the USA. His fans makienda kumenya kana hihi Samido has moved to USA for good kana hihi he will be coming back to Kenya anytime soon. Kiuria Samido mwena wake atanagikorwo agicokia but arakorwo agicumukia fans ake na videos na bisha shikegi uria marake enjoy time na Eddie Derito kuria USA. Ndeto itumite fans na mashabika Samido magishaja muke muno digutenderithia ici makiria ndashare toria ciaginyira. Make sure and turn on your notification wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu tucamone in our next one.